Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Menteri Ketenaga Kerjaan jongka Sarkar Jela ujian SPK Sangma hak santrik ulo opera ahajar fuar ulah pelepat ba yang DAE Civil Hospital kan soweng Civil Hospital Shillong katkum gajing ti benia jongka ICMR NCDIR House nam ahajar fuwe ke Jela Meghalaya kedai ke badan hak kedan ke baar hak ri India hak gajing don jongki nong sosnong senrang bat kentai ki badan ya gajing pang bampong hak gajing play ya gajing jaka ajing sumar ya nong pang bampong Lasak hilang ru daka Joint Secretary jongka Department of Atomic Energy ka Sarkar India ka Susmita Taishiti ki doktor ki nurse bat kiwe hadian kini Menteri Ketenaga Kerjaan balik jungo saya ki nong pang girang syak sumar hak ke hospital.
This disease which has been so dreaded, this needs a special focus. This needs not just treatment and care as Mr. Sampath was mentioning, but we need to move towards the preventive side of cancer. And there is a lot of science which is working towards how we can prevent cancer in the future. And let me assure everyone, the citizens of our state, that we as a government, we are wanting to take the bull by its horn here. And we want to really not just treat cancer, but also move towards how we can prevent this dreaded disease. And I'm happy that yesterday we signed an MOU with the Apollo Group, a program which has been sponsored by the World Economic Forum, and this I feel is going to go a very, very long way in tackling this disease. I'm happy that the FCC, the First Cancer Care project, is going to be associated and will work in tandem with our cancer wing, and a lot of activities will be taking place. Cancer is, as we all know, the treatment takes a very, very long time. It sometimes stretches over maybe 3 to 4 to 5 years, which is why a dedicated approach is badly required. And that's why the FCC has been brought about. We are looking at how we can screen. Early detection would lead to early diagnosis and early treatment, which would, I think, have a huge impact in the way that we treat our cancer patients, in increasing the rate of survival of cancer patients. So these sort of things are so exciting for us as a state, and I'm very, very proud of the fact that we are one of the first few states to have come up with the FCC. And thank you to the World Economic Forum, and we look forward to this partnership with the Apollo Group, which is a well-established, very reputed and respected organization. And we are very hopeful that this partnership is going to go a very, very long way in making sure that we take care of our cancer patients. I'm also very happy to announce here that, as was being mentioned by Mr. Sampath Kumar about the population-based cancer registry that we are going to establish for East Khasi Hills. This is something that it's not just for East Khasi Hills, but for other districts as well. For Garo Hills also, we will be establishing this PBCR, and very soon. I'm also very hopeful because we are moving towards establishing a similar cancer wing in Garo Hills, also in Tura. So with these kind of initiatives and interventions, we feel that we will be able to take care of cancer in a very, very focused manner.
Yes. So first, so now, so you. So once the, yeah, so half of our females are here and half are males. So, yeah.
So you have females on that side?
Right now, yes, we have shifted them.
Who do I give this to?
Prime Minister, so,
I think. Setting.